All right, so we go back to the layout interface and I'll do a briefly introduction about what are these panels here. Let's break it down. So on the top left, you got the 3D viewport where you can see and interact with your scene, which is a very big panel here called 3D viewport. You'll see your models and your lights, every object inside here. There will be the panel you work with and spend like 90% times in Blender. And on the top right, there is the outliner, which lists all the objects in your scene like a hierarchy. You will see we'll have like three objects in here right now: camera, cube, and light. You can left click to select them. Um, and on the bottom right is a properties editor where you'll find settings for objects, materials, lighting, and more. And finally, we have the timeline sits in the bottom. This is mainly for animation, not for now, but it is like a quick preview for the animation of the object. So you've got like four key areas working together in the layout workspace. You can always like switch between workspaces just by clicking the tabs as we mentioned before, or just using keyboard shortcuts like Control and Page Up, Page Down to move left or right. And if you want to add a new workspace here, you can also find there's a little plus button at the right next to the tabs called Add Workspace. You can create your own customized workspace if you have a preference already. Um, you see when you click on that, you'll see there are extra options like 2D animation, um, 2D for canvas, and VFX, and even like video editing. So these are also templates that Blender created for you. I'm not gonna touch any of these buttons right now, but um, if you also like clicking on right click on any tab, um, you have a context menu with the options to duplicate, delete, or reorder your workspaces. Um, for example, if I found that I prefer animation to be at the very front, so I'll right click on animation and go to reorder to front. And you'll see animation is the first workspace here, even before layout. But I don't really want to do that. I'll move the layout back. So that's a quick overview for Blender's workspaces. You do not need to memorize all of them right now. Just to remember that each workspace is tailored to a different part of the creative process, and we might touch several workspaces later.